In our nervous system, we have nerves going to from the brain to all parts of the body, and nerves going from all parts of the body to the brain. And they're constantly carrying messages, small messages. Every skin cell has receptors to say, okay, now it's cold, now it's hot, now you're hungry, now you're thirsty. Constantly messages are going to the brain, and the brain is telling the body what to do, what to perform. So it's an intricate, beautiful system that works very well most of the time. Now, when this system gets affected, when this system gets overwhelmed, particularly, and why does it get overwhelmed? Too much stimulation. We are watching too many things, we are thinking too much, we are taking too much load, we are constantly thinking about the past, we are constantly thinking about the future, we are constantly thinking about somebody who's not been good to us. Because of these tendencies of the mind, our nervous system, which is normally functioning well, tends to get disturbed and overwhelmed. And this is the reason why we get sick. Okay, so what starts to happen is that when the system gets overwhelmed, there is disease, disturbance, and this can result in mental and physical health issues. Now, what meditation does, it simply reduces the overwhelm, because very rarely do we have the capacity or the space or even the training in our lives to sit quietly with ourselves without overthinking, without getting into stimulation, right? Even when we are stressed, what do? We go to social media, or we go to watch TV, or we go to watch movies, and we are dealing with what? With one overwhelm. To distract ourselves from one pain or one problem, we go to actually another pain or problem without realizing. Our way of relaxing is get more stimulation, eat, like put more load, somehow add things instead of subtract things. And we have to understand that adding things is not going to help. Any disease process needs healing, needs space, and space means we need to subtract, we need to take away, which means we need silence. And what meditation does is, it creates silence, it creates space to sit quietly with yourself. And in that space, slowly, it's a practice. It's not going to happen the first time, second time, 10th time also that you meditate. It's going to happen over a period of time, over a period of months. But if you consistently meditate, even 10 minutes a day for a month, your nervous system will start easing off. That's a guarantee.